Right, in first place, 10 fish for 45.43 kilo. We've got Wrapped Up. Well done, guys.
Just thanks to Bruce too. They're a great comp. Me and Rob only started this year. We were here a couple of years ago, but it's a great weekend and everyone here is a good bunch of blokes. So thanks very much.
Yeah, they're all right. Thank you. All right, guys.
So that's it, the AYC for 2018 Grand Final. She's done and dusted. We had a good weekend. We knew we had some good fish in the bag, and we're lucky enough to come over with the win for the weekend. So full credit to the boys. They've been great teammates all year, and it's been a great season for us actually. So if you've been thinking about getting into these comps, it's definitely worth doing. You should just get around and sign up, and they're a great bunch of blokes. Everyone that fishes them, and you can't go wrong. You'll have a great weekend. So thanks to Navionics for their support too.
Cheers, lads.
That's a wrap.
All good.
That's it. Eat it.